Why to use Zoho CRM and SalesIQ. Every growing business faces the same challenge: managing customers, tracking leads, and closing deals without losing opportunities. Take the example of a small SaaS company. They were generating leads from their website, emails, and ads, but everything was scattered across spreadsheets and inboxes. The sales team had no clear view of who was interested, who needed follow-ups, and which deals were actually close to conversion. After implementing Zoho CRM and SalesIQ, every lead started flowing into one system. Website visitors were tracked in real time, chats were captured instantly, and sales teams could finally see the full customer journey from first click to final deal. Every great solution starts with an idea. Tell us your vision, and we'll design the next steps and workflow to bring it to life. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.